keys in the door?
Yes, the driver's side.
Alright, so it said AC. And then you just, oh yeah, the tire light. And then you're just hearing the noise while you was driving?
Yeah, it's like squeaky.
Alright.
Like when I reverse, it squeaks, but I noticed that like when I slow down to come to a stop, it starts squeaking as well.
Definitely need.
I'm pretty sure my brakes need to be.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, but so you definitely need rotors and pads. That's definitely probably the reason why it's squeaking.
Okay.
Yeah, cause that shit is dug in.
Rusty, right?
Yeah, you're grinding right now. And the pad levels, bro. Yeah, so that's the squeaking part. We got that out of the way. I'm gonna put some tire. I mean, air in your tires. That might be the reason why your tire light is on. And then I'm gonna call you. What happened?
It's not gonna turn off because I fill up the tires, but they said it's probably like I think he said like a sensor thing. Because when I first got the car, it came on. I had the car for a year now. It's been on for a whole year. And he said it's probably just a sensor thing, or however the tires, however that.
Oh yeah, then that might be a tire pressure sensor.
But also, like a little while back, a couple months ago, I kind of like dented in my tire. I don't know what exactly I dented in, but it's a bar in there that got dented in. I was coming off the highway and I crashed into the curb on the side. So I don't know if that has anything to do with anything.
The driver's side on the back?
Yes, the driver's side.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Oh, yeah, I see the rim is bent. You might need a new rim, but that ain't on. You can find one of them shits on Facebook Marketplace probably with the full tire, probably like $50.
Okay.
Yeah, that ain't too bad. The tire pressure sensor, that's not in the actual tire, so if that's messed up, it wouldn't be the tire. But I'm gonna check everything though. I'm gonna let you know.
Okay.
Right, I just got here though. So.
Alright. Okay.
Oh my god. I know y'all heard that. That's crazy.
Yeah, man, I know you fucking rocking that.
I gotta get right.
Fucking on the shit, man. Fucking kid, man. Yeah. All B shit, nigga. I know you fucking rocking, man. B&B, that's a big kid, man. That's a fact.
I got some new equipment today, chat.
Nigga, fucked up, man. Shit, nigga, I'm fucked up. Know my nigga, you do to you. Said it, but get some view for you. She make a trip.
Look what I got.
That niggas a fish, these niggas staying fresh. Everything we have Maxwell.
Alright, y'all just needed me an edit, but hold on. That shit was loud. Free on me, JD, man. Unless he did that rape. But what's poppin', chat? It's your boy. Ain't that job? That gotta be job. Must be job. Check out your boy. I got some new threads, you know. You gotta look the part out here, man. You can't be just out here working on people's cars and niggas be like, yo, who that nigga just out here under that car with the motherfucking Troy jean jacket on? Nigga? You know, I be stylish sometimes, but you know, got this shit kind of small though. I ain't gonna lie. Why is the motherfucking waist like up here? Like I tucked my shirt into something, bro. I'm gonna get a bigger size, but today we got customer complaint. She said, it's a, hold on, damn. I was just on the phone with her. I'm gonna put that in the in the video. But you know, we got a 2016 Chevy Trax. It's she complained that mainly AC, mainly her left side is blowing out hot air. I already worked on a car like this, so I have a feeling what it actually is. Not gonna lie, it might just be, I'm gonna show y'all, but it's inside the dash. Also, she said while she's driving, the car is making noise. Oh, I was on the phone with her. She said the car is squeaking. I checked the fucking brakes and fucking rotors. Them shits is fucking cooked. Like, goddamn, look at this shit. Hold on. Look at this shit. Y'all wouldn't believe it. This video gonna be long as hell. I don't even know if y'all can see right. I'm gonna put it's in the other video, but yeah, her brakes and rotors is cooked. Might need calibers too. She claimed AC. I know that's in the dash. I said that already. Damn, I'm just repeating myself. And then her tire light is on. gonna put some air in the tires right now. Actually, I'm doing it right now while we are talking. Air in the tires. Put some air in the tires she needs. Damn, I gotta cut this video up. I just lost my train of thought. Tire pressure used to be 35. Most of them is already 35. I don't even know if I see. Yeah, both driver's side tires is 35, so it's damn near might just be her tire pressure sensor. Most likely it's the tire pressure sensor. I'm gonna check the other side. What else she said? I'm not sure. Oh yeah. All right, so we figured out it was the brakes and rotors, her tire light. Figured that out. Now we gotta figure out why her AC is not blowing. And then she said when it drives, it sounds like she is losing oil, but she has oil. So we're gonna check that. I'll be right back. I'm out. I'm gonna just, this is my last video, I swear, on iPhone. I don't care. I just already started the video on the iPhone because she had called me on my other phone. Check her fluids at least. It might just be shit. I think she had an oil, but who knows? Washer fluid definitely needs to wash the fluid. Definitely need an oil change. That oil is black as hell. Oh my god. Look at this shit. Oh my gosh. When the last time she changed her oil? Her shit is black. Alright, check. So I'm gonna say it so I can remember in the video, but she needs brakes and rotors, calibers. She needs brakes, rotors, calibers, oil change. Probably a new, well, that tire is not even really bullshit. That rim is a little bent, but she might be good. That's not, she needs tire pressure sensors. That was crazy. I might just do the oil change for free for her. She needs a whole lot though. Coolant level's kind of low, but that ain't that bad. She got brake fluid. Air filter's definitely in there if it's bolted in. Start it up. Okay, I'm gonna take it for a spin, see how the AC working, and then put the tire pressure on the other side. Oh, you can already hear that shit. But yeah, I'll be right back. This motherfucker definitely blowing out hot air, bro. I only been in the car for 5 seconds, bro. Oh shit, I ain't trying to get her. This shit is blowing out the hottest of all air, bro. Probably just needs a recharge, I ain't gonna lie. But it don't really look like she did anything on this car. We're gonna try to recharge first before anything, because I don't really see nothing wrong with her shit under the hood. How the fuck you turn the damn AC off? Alright. Hell yeah, you heard that hissing? Definitely need some refrigerant. Yep, squeaking is her brake pads and rotors. Squeaking is definitely the brake pads and rotors. Yep, you hear the rotors fucking, damn, she was riding this motherfucker like a, what the fuck? Oh, this is crazy. Hey, look at the kids fucking doing fireworks. Oh, nah. Oh, I just motherfucking filmed a crime. Oh, hell no. All right, I'm fucking dead. I'm gonna put some air in her tires. I think this is we got steps on this car, but I'm gonna put some air in her tires, and then fucking no way. They still over there fucking around. And then I'm gonna call her and then let her know all the shit that we need done. We're gonna get this done step by step, but no fucking way. This your boy Mechanic Chop. I'm out. Okay, as I expected, both sides had motherfucking full tire pressure. Her oil is black as hell, so she needs definitely a fucking oil change. I'm gonna show you out in the other video. Matter of fact, I'll show you right now. Cooked. Pads cooked. All around. Cooked. Calibers cooked. All around. Calibers cooked, pads cooked, rotors cooked. And I showed y'all that side. She's gonna need brake pads, rotors, calibers all around. She's gonna need an oil change. We're gonna recharge her AC for her. Block the fucking license plate. Her tires look good. She just needs tire pressure sensor. She don't got no lights on the dash. Can you believe she only got, oh, well, 120,000. That is not a lot, but still, this look like she just ride this as a beater car. Let me roll her windows up for her. She live in the hood. Motherfuckers will steal this motherfucker. And then yeah, I'm kind of like stuck because she was naming a lot of shit, but I'm just looking at the basic shit, and that's literally all her problems. She thought it was something major. It's not even that. It's not even that. But this your boy, ain't that JAH? That gotta be JAH. Must be JAH. And newly mechanic dealership JAH. I'm my old. Just a quick video to send to the customer. Rotors, calipers in the back, pads. Basically, you need rotors and calipers and and pads for all 4 tires. I'm gonna show you the oil too, so you can see. Pads, rotors, pads, calipers. Then under the hood, I'm gonna do the oil change for free for you. That's the least of my worries. You're low on washer fluid, a little bit low on coolant. Brake fluid is good. As you can see, your oil is so black. It's not supposed to be that color. So you need an oil change. And then we're gonna recharge your AC and see if that's the reason why it's blowing hot. And then I think that's really it. Let's see if you need wipers or anything. Nah, your wipers is good. Back wiper. Back wiper is good. Yeah, and then that tire, this is the tire that you thought that you hit and messed up. The rim is a little bit messed up, but it's not too bad. If you want to get a new tire and rim, I can find it on Facebook Marketplace. But that's not the reason why your tire light is on. I checked the air pressure. Oh, your air pressure is good. It's definitely a tire pressure sensor. Boy, wait till y'all see this motherfucking video. Godly. This gonna be some shit. I wish I had the oil, but I already shut it up and locked it up for her. Godly. New customer alert though, new customer alert.